Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with a Walmart IBOTTA haul, guys. I'm super excited about this haul because I got some different rebates. I got a $5 bonus this weekend for doing 15 rebates, guys, so I had to work on it. I did also do a small Harris Teeter IBOTTA haul. I will link that video above if you guys have not already watched it, and I'll put it in the description box as well. So let's jump into it, guys. I got some good rebates. Now, the first rebate I did was on the soft soap. The soft soap was priced $1.98. There's actually two rebates attaching to this. There is a 75-cent rebate and there is a 50-cent rebate, making the final cost after both those rebates only 73 cents. Now, I did print off a coupon from softsoap.com, but unfortunately I did not have it in store with me, guys. So if you do have that, make sure that you use that, okay? Now, next rebate I decided to do was on the Dial Foaming Hand Wash, okay? This is the Clean and Gentle. I got two of these and they were priced $1.84 each for a total of $3.68. Now there is a $1 coupon off of two out of the 9.5 Save insert. I used that, paid $2.68 in store. There is 50 cents coming back from IBOTTA for each one, giving me back $1, making the final cost $1.68, guys. Now there is a all bonus that actually attached to this. So after I purchased these, I actually qualified for that bonus. And I think it was because I had purchased the Gentle, the Free and Clear all laundry detergent at Harris Teeter. That gave me back 75 cents, making this be only 93 cents for the two. So that was a really good deal. Next rebate, guys, I did a little trial size of the Suave shampoo, okay? This was only 97 cents. There is any shampoo rebate for 97 cents, making the final cost only 87 cents. And this any item rebate does qualify for my bonus, so I had to get it. It was cheap, okay? Another cheapie was the Equate eye drops. You know, I've gotten this before. Now the eye drops were 97 cents. There is a 10-cent any eye drop rebate, final cost 87 cents. Had to get it, honey. Next, I got the Ragu pasta sauce. Now the Ragu pasta sauce was only $1.48. There is 75 cents coming back from IBOTTA, making the final cost only 73 cents. Good deal. And here you go. You can get you some Barilla pasta and you about got you a meal, okay? Now, the Barilla pasta was $1.28, no coupon, so I had to pay $1.28 in store. There's a 40-cent IBOTTA rebate, making the final cost 88 cents. Yes, y'all know how I feel about rebates for food, okay? Next rebate, guys, was on the Method All-Purpose Cleaner. This one is the pink grapefruit. It is supposed to cut grease, okay? $3.28 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $3.28 in store. There was $1.25 IBOTTA rebate coming back, making the final cost $2.03, guys. Now, I'm curious to open this up. I want to see what it smells like. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, don't spill it. That has a clean smell to it. The grapefruit, that's a clean smell. Impressed. Next rebate, guys, I decided to get the Edge Control, the black of this time. This was priced $4.56 in my Walmart. No coupon for the Cream of Nature Edge Control, but I got back $2 from IBOTTA, making the final cost $2.56, guys. Y'all know I love to get hair products from IBOTTA, okay? So why not just get this? I like this product, guys. This is a spray-on Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. You're supposed to shake it before you spray it on your hair, and I like it. I've been using it. I put some on my hair today, honey, okay? My hair looks terrible. I need to retwist it. Now, this was priced $4.98. There's $2 coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost $2.98. I think that was a good deal, honey. Next rebate, guys, was on the Welch's jelly. Okay, you know my husband does peanut butter and jelly every day, so we got to stay stocked. Okay, now for this rebate you must purchase the 2. Now I like to get these because they are the cheapest size at my Walmart, $1.58 each. For the 2 is $3.16. $1 coming back from Ibotta makes the final cost $2.16 for the 2 jars of jelly. That's a good deal, guys. Next rebate, we've got the Success Boil and Bag Jasmine Rice, priced $1.98. 50 cents coming back from Ibotta, final cost $1.48. Now, if you don't want to use this product, I think this is a great food pantry donation item, but I actually use it, so yeah. The next rebate, guys, y'all already know I'm not leaving without getting my always eats, okay? $3.97, guys. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, final cost $1.97. All right, guys, so that is all for today's Walmart Ibotta haul. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I am working on my $10 bonus. I've got to do 42 rebates, guys. So I am doing it in increments of 10, 15, roll the money, go do the rebates again, repeat. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's my strategy, and I'm sticking to it. So hopefully some of these rebates that I got today will reset, so I will be able to do them again. I also have the Google document in the description box of this video, guys, with my Walmart Ibotta hauls and with my Ibotta hauls period. I always do a Google document that will be linked in the description box, so you guys can bring it up on your phone. Use it when you go in store to make for your shopping experience to be easier, okay? And if this video was helpful for you, would you guys please give Coupon and Crystal a thumbs up? Thank you very much. Let me know in the comments below of the video, what is your favorite Walmart rebate from Ibotta this week, guys? For me, I would have to say it is absolutely hands down the hand soap. I love to get stuff like this for the cheap. So I hope that resets. If that resets, that's going to be just, ooh, amazing. That is a great deal. And I would like for this to reset as well, because I will be able to double dip. Crystal's not unclipping nothing, okay? If you want to unclip it, you unclip it, but I'm not. It's right, okay? It is right and it's correct. It's the right ounce. 11.25. It's not my fault they got 2 rebates on there at the same time. How's that my fault? It's not. That's their fault. I think it's intentional, okay? They just trying to give y'all, they trying to throw y'all a bone. Take it. All right, guys, that's it. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.